Hello children, welcome to the VBPS e-learning channel. Children, as you know, we are studying about lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands from last 2 days. Clear? Now children, yesterday we have studied about islands and some states of eastern coastal plain. Now, some states or you can say union territories are still left. Now we are on the Puducherry. Puducherry is a union territory which is to the south of Tamil Nadu. आप जानते हो तमिलनाडु के साउथ में it is a union territory that is Puducherry. Clear? It is a union territory. It is near Tamil Nadu. It was earlier known as Pondicherry, but now it is known as Puducherry. It was ruled by the French for many years. French people, they rule over this union territory. It lies on the Coromandel coast south of Chennai. As yesterday I told you, two parts are there of eastern coastal plain. Towards north it is known as Nadan Sircars and towards south it is known as Coromandel coast. It is famous for the Aurobindo Ashram. See, Aurobindo Ashram I am showing you. They have shown, I think. No, they have not shown you the picture, beta. It is famous. Puducherry is famous for the Aurobindo Ashram. Near it is Auroville, which is famous for the Maitri Mandir. See, Auroville Maitri Mandir it is famous for. Auroville Maitri Mandir is the name of a place. Clear? It is in the main city of Puducherry. People in rural areas are farmers. Rural means गांव देहात के लोग रहने वाले. They are mainly farmers. They grow rice, sugarcane, oil seeds and coconuts. People of Puducherry, they speak Tamil, Telugu, French and Malayalam. These 4 languages, these people, they speak. Now children, last state of eastern coastal plain is Kanyakumari. It is the southernmost part of the Indian mainland. बिल्कुल नीचे साउथ का हिस्सा है. It is in Tamil Nadu. 3 water bodies meet over here. You also know very well. One is Bay of Bengal in the east. Towards south, it is Indian Ocean. And towards west, it is Arabian Sea. There is a small monument near the coast, the beautiful Vivekanand Rock Temple. See, they have shown you the picture. This is the Vivekanand Rock Temple. It is at Kanyakumari. Clear? Now children, we will see the life in the western coastal plain. The western coastal plain extends from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat up to the Kanyakumari. It comes from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. It has got Gujarat, Goa, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala are located in this region. These are the states that come under western coastal plain. Now we will study one by one. First of all, it is Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. Saurashtra is known for Gir Hills and forest. Saurashtra is a place which is known for Gir Hills and also for the forest. Gujarat has farmers growing cotton, groundnuts. Groundnuts means moongfali, jowar, bajra and sugarcane. These are the crops these farmers grow. Besides farming, people are also engaged in certain trades like making salt from seawater. Because seawater is salty, so one more occupation the people over here they do, they make salts from seawater. Digging digging for oil, dairy farming and working in cotton textile mills. They dig oil from the wells. Okay, dairy farming they do. And also some people they work in cotton textile. Dairy farming, especially in and around Anand. Anand is a place where dairy farming work is more popular, which is home of Amul. It is famous because Amul factory is there. Natural gas and petroleum has been found near Ankaleshwar. Ankaleshwar is a place where petroleum and natural gas is found. People speak Gujarati. People of Gujarat speak Gujarati. Men, they wear short frock, dhoti and turban. You also know turban means pagdi. धोती कुर्ता and गांधी cap are commonly worn by men. गांधी कैप भी लगाते हैं यहाँ पे men. Women they wear घाघरा चोली and ओढ़नी. Gujaratis they celebrate Navratri and Janmashtami with great fervor. You know na, with great joy. Garba is mainly performed by women on festivals. ठीक है, स्पेशली फेस्टिवल्स पे ये लोग गरबा जरूर करती हैं. महात्मा गांधी वॉज बोर्न इन पोरबंदर एंड लेटर लिव्ड इन साबरमती आश्रम इन अहमदाबाद. क्लियर? यू ऑल्सो नो वेरी वेल दैट महात्मा गांधी took birth in Porbandar and afterwards they shift down in Sabarmati Ashram which is in Ahmedabad. Kerala. Kerala is a land of coconuts. You know this कि in Kerala coconut trees are in bulk. We get many things from coconut. The husk is used for making choir mats and carpets. उसका जो बाल होता है नारियल का, उसका इस्तेमाल मैट बनाने में और कारपेट बनाने में भी किया जाता है. अदर देन कोकोनट, राइस, टी, कॉफी एंड स्पाइसेस आर ऑल्सो ग्रोन हियर. रबर ट्रीज आर ऑल्सो फाउंड इन दिस केरला स्टेट. स्टेट ऑफ केरला हैज द मोस्ट लिटरेट पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया. भारत के अंदर अगर सबसे ज्यादा पढ़ी लिखी पॉपुलेशन कहीं पाई जाती है तो दैट इज केरला. मलयालम इज देयर मेन लैंग्वेज. Kerala has many expert craftsmen. Craftsmen means they make craft items. Onam is the popular festival. Snake boat races are very famous in Kerala. See, I'll show you. Snake boat race. The boats are in the shape of snakes and they do race in water. Clear? Now what they said, Kathakali is a classical dance of Kerala. Mahabharat and Ramayan. Kathakali is a classical dance depicting Mahabharat and Ramayan. रामायण और महाभारत का को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कथकली में. कोची इज अ मेन सी पोर्ट. थिरुवनंतपुरम इज द कैपिटल ऑफ केरला. क्लियर? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू ऑल हैव heard properly about these states. In eastern coastal plains, you have studied about Puducherry and Kanyakumari. Then we came on western coastal plain in which we have studied about Gujarat, Kerala. Now next state is Maharashtra. That also you know very well. The Konkan coast is the south of Gujarat. Konkan coast Gujarat के south में means गुजरात के नीचे शुरू होता है. It is separated from the Deccan Plateau by Western Ghats. ये जो है वो डेक्कन प्लेट्यू से सेपरेट हुआ वेस्टर्न घाट्स के थ्रू. मुंबई इज द कैपिटल. मुंबई इज नोन फॉर द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री दैट इज नोन एज बॉलीवुड. मोस्ट हिंदी एंड मराठी फिल्म्स आर मेड इन मुंबई. पीपल दे स्पीक मराठी एंड हिंदी. धोती कुर्ता विद अ महाराष्ट्रियन टर्बन और कैप इज वर्न बाय मेन. या धोती कुर्ता पहनते हैं और पगड़ी लगाते हैं. ठीक है. विमेन दे वेयर 9 यार्ड साड़ी ड्रैप्ड इन अ ट्रेडिशनल वे. वो लोग ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से मराठी साड़ी पहनती है महाराष्ट्रियन लेडीज. द गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया इज अ लैंडमार्क ऑफ मुंबई. मुंबई को गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया के लिए जाना जाता है. द सी बेड ऑफ कोंकण कोस्ट इज अ वेरी रिच ऑयल फील्ड कॉल्ड मुंबई हाई. Where the petroleum is found in Maharashtra, that place is known as Mumbai High. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, a union territory, is in the north of Mumbai. मुंबई के नॉर्थ में आती है दादरा एंड नागर हवेली, विच इज अ यूनियन टेरिटरी. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड इट, वट एवर आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू अबाउट द स्टेट्स. Okay, now stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.